video will walk you through navigating the jobs portal and how to find the many tools available to you. It's important to remember that the layout will change based on your screen size. For example, menus and buttons may appear in different spots depending on if you're using your laptop or your mobile device. Since the jobs portal is a tool used in several communities across Canada, you may also notice changes in branding, colors, and even the names of tools depending on where you are and whether you are accessing your portal as part of an employment service or through your local workforce development board. The first thing you'll see when you log into your jobs portal is your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll get a snapshot of some of the information and recommendations from other parts of the portal, like the number of new jobs that have been posted in the last week in your region, the number of jobs that you'll see in your personalized jobs feed, and recommendations of jobs based on the occupations, sectors, and companies you are following. You'll also see tips on how to improve your portal profile to help you ensure you're getting the most out of the tools. If you're using the site as part of an employment service and you have a caseworker, they can assign tasks to you like attend the upcoming job fair, which you'll see on your dashboard too. You can let them know you've completed the task by marking it as complete. Once you've completed it, it will disappear from your dashboard, but you can see them again by clicking Show Completed Tasks. If you've saved any jobs, they will show up on the dashboard as well, along with a list of the top hiring companies so you can see which companies currently have the most jobs available. On the left of the screen in desktop view, or at the top of the screen on mobile, you'll see the portal menu. Here's how you can navigate to the different parts of the portal. The first few tabs you'll see are the primary tools you'll be using within the portal, including your saved jobs list and jobs feed under the Jobs tab, a list of training opportunities you can browse, skills, a resume builder tool, a cover letter generator tool, and following, where you can decide how the portal filters your personalized jobs feed. We'll be covering each of these tools in detail in other videos. Blue dots next to these tab headings indicate that you have new recommendations from your caseworker, if you're working with one. Below these tools on the portal menu, you'll find quick links to helpful pages that will take you outside the jobs portal, but still connected to our online system. These include the Regional Job Board and Job Map, a Career Explorer and Career Library, and an Industry Encyclopedia or Sector Library. These resources will also be covered in other videos. Whether you are in the portal or you clicked on a quick link to take you to another external resource, in both desktop and mobile view, you'll find a gray bar at the top of the screen with two tabs. All tools will drop down another menu with a variety of other tools and resources that can help you in your job search. Clicking on any of these will take you outside the portal. The other button on the top gray menu will have your name. Clicking or hovering on this will give you the option to either take you back to your dashboard, log out, or go to your profile. The jobs portal is always being updated with new features and functions to improve your experience and give you more tools to help you succeed. So don't be alarmed if you see changes to the layout or new tabs to explore when you log in.